GriefShare is an incredibly effective tool for providing care ministry for people.
A support group where they can share what they're going through, where they can speak up, where they can hear about what others are going through and realize that, yeah, it is okay to grieve.
To be able to walk them through the scriptures that help them see what they're going through in light of God's plan on their life and how they can walk through that with confidence and a surety that God's got them through this and is taking them somewhere. I would say it's a crucial tool if you were leading a church or ministry.
This fell right in line with our mission to be able to be a church, a community church that's helping meet the needs of the people. And what this program has done is allowed us to have even more of an impact.
Once we listed GriefShare on the GriefShare website, we found that a lot of people were coming that had no connection to our church or any church.
We had people from other parts of the country who are with different time zones even, who are able to share and able to be part of this group.
It's a fantastic tool as part of your outreach effort, where you are trying to be what the people around you and the communities around you need at different times. That's where I've been the most blessed by it.
That's an exciting thing, to see them find healing in their moment, but also healing for their eternity. That's pretty cool.